Abe, asema AC before 7 years ago. Day na same see na day now yes our pronouncements no. It was actually 7 years like the day like a tosade no so pepe 7th year. Yes. He organized a press conference in 2015 or that area. But now Sami Flex show so okanyoma bebre including the waka sisiano. At the time, I say me see me kunu like me kun other guy no. You could pay police station. You drew police station or no? Okoka say oh nani buefu we nya asem bia o kana na the diago na. Yedi asem ni na ya ka say okay. Me onko yenja asem no yenko na. Me mon kasa bio. Now, you do police station or no? No put my wife naked picture on the phone so. And or the chair policeman. Abe, I've gone through a lot. I've gone through so much to build or to help build, because I might be the head. Bankrofo be brave. Neboa ma edu baby I edu no. Inti se watu neni agomiso. Shatta won mat 3. Ni mani na ye mi ma. Me who Shatta ma oba ni ba ene amen ka say you know what I'm saying. So say Shatta when who me ma say ni ma. Say when who me yere say ni yere. Say when who me papa say me papa. When who me mama say me mama. Then what can I do? Court never kwa copy. Fenek ochi aye kana asem yi. Abegu santana wo beka fenek ochi asem enewo show ni so a. Unim fenek ochi more. Unim how our mutual friends. Unim me fear no didi. Me nipa me say, and I said this on Andy's show. Me new kasa sisi I me say fenek te how to yentem. Cause actually bro, I people they worry you. Because that son and na me in it here. I said when my who court 4 years. They are court discharging me. Was the same day I signed Shatta Wale wo xylophone. Me too me car fee a court premises or me drive abba a sign in Asia because we need to come and prepare ourselves to receive him. I cried from the court premises till I do xylophone my office. Cause now my bread. Nyankopon sha Jerry Avenobo any Karini Makon, especially Jerry Avenobo. When you one see the work case where Dimechi sa till today or Dimechi. Police why you shishemu Bibia for 4 years and a court discharging me. Years on, what my better say me say me kun to say me kun other guy. I have a video, I can give it to your people to play it as evidence. Say and you say me bom mitimu akansem. Eba ni sa no me say oh Shatta Eminia. Some of these things major ehun here. Me ne o kasa no sa time na sa sem ni see no wa friend me wife ofie. Me ni nya kasa bi wo Germany. O friend me wife ofie say omo baba be chi me wo promoter bi girlfriend e demo a me ne da. Inti wasai mi fie once I me come fie. Me free US aba na your Europe and I me call US. I spent 1 month in the US. Me bano. There were 2 things in my head. 1, divorce your wife. 2, stop the job with Shatta Wale. These are the only two things that was in my head. I chose the latter because that was the only wise decision any man could make. Maybe do Ghana. And Obi catch me. Your team members nibi. Catch him say, bro, why you left wifey in picture for your laptop, a naked picture? I said, oh, you are not sure. Because me crying in meeting. In some way, you come, say hearsay there, unfine. Until you call sa police station, you call same now you call police station. All the phone no, police man, my wife naked picture also. That no me board down more police station. Abe, Obi I share. I don't want anybody to sit there and feel say maybe you're gangy up near Babe can't Shatta Wale. Me, the American now outside, the American, I will me move. They didn't see American. No, mama felt more American, but the American now a public information. It is a after all these years, after all these things that I've been through, yeah, and you still want me to go to jail. For what reason? Patrolman can't show BB. This is a note. If your camera can take it.
I share